Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix Hinge not showing new profiles. So to fix this issue, you can start by using a fresh start. Just go to your Hinge app and then go to your profile tab at the bottom right of your screen. Now tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now under your profile section, you find a pause. Just toggle on the pause option and then toggle back it off, because this often triggers an option to try it for a fresh start, resetting your algorithm while keeping current matches. Now the next what you can do is loosen your filters. Setting strict preferences in a low population area will cause you to run out of profiles. Now refresh the app's connection to servers by log out and then log back in. Now next what you can do is reinstalling the app. Just delete the existing app and then reinstall your Hinge to ensure you're running the latest version. Now the next what you can do is check your data or a Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection, or you can just simply switch from your Wi-Fi to a mobile data or vice versa for a stable network connection. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.